Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're really happy to have you here today.
Hi friends, thank you so much for joining us again. If you're new here, don't worry, you're in the right place.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
On this channel, we help you learn real English, the kind people actually use in daily life.
Yes, easy English, friendly English, and English you can feel, not just memorize.
And before we start, quick reminder, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this episode with someone who is learning English like you.
Your support really helps us, and it motivates us to make longer, better episodes for you.
Okay, Jack, today's topic is something we all experience.
Something a little scary for some people.
Something we all talk about, but many learners don't know how to talk about it in English.
Exactly, and today we'll make it simple.
Friends, today we're talking about how to talk about the doctor in English.
Doctor visits, health problems, feelings, fear, questions, everything.
But wait, before we jump into the topic, Jack, how are you really feeling today?
Honestly, a little tired.
Tired, or I didn't sleep well tired?
Second one, I slept late last night.
Why? Netflix again?
Don't judge me. One episode became 3 episodes.
Classic mistake. That's already our first health lesson. Sleep is important.
Very important. And you, how are you today?
I'm okay, but I had a headache this morning.
Oh no, a bad headache?
Not too bad, but enough to make me slow.
Did you think, do I need to see a doctor?
Yes, and that's exactly why this topic is perfect today.
You know, Emma, many English learners tell us one thing.
What do they say?
They say, I know English words, but when I go to the doctor, I panic.
Yes, panic, fear, confusion.
They don't know what to say. They don't know how to explain pain.
And sometimes they feel shy or embarrassed.
But today, we'll fix that.
Okay, friends, let's start very simple.
Very, very simple.
If you want to say you are going to the doctor, you can say, I need to see a doctor.
Or, I have an appointment with the doctor.
Repeat with us, slowly. I need to see a doctor.
I have an appointment with the doctor.
Good job. That already sounds natural.
Now, Emma, let me ask you something.
Okay.
How do you feel today? Imagine you are talking to a doctor.
I would say, I don't feel well.
Perfect. That sentence is powerful and simple.
Or you can say, I'm not feeling very well today.
Yes, doctors hear this every day.
Now, friends, this part is very important.
Yes, pain words.
You can say, I have a headache.
Or, I have a stomachache.
Or, my back hurts.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me. I have a headache.
I have a headache.
My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts.
My back hurts.
My back hurts.
Excellent. But Jack, sometimes pain is not just pain.
Yes, sometimes it makes you worried.
You can say, I'm worried about my health.
Or, this pain makes me nervous.
That sounds very human.
Doctors understand feelings, not just symptoms.
Let's explain one word, symptom.
Good idea.
A symptom is something you feel when you are sick.
Like pain, fever, cough, or dizziness.
So you can say, my symptoms are a headache and fever.
Very professional English, but still simple.
Jack, be honest. Do you like going to the doctor?
No, not at all.
Why?
The smell, the waiting room, and the sound of coughing everywhere.
That's so true. Everyone in the waiting room sounds sick.
And suddenly you feel more sick than before.
That's called doctor effect.
Now, friends, don't forget, you can ask questions too.
Yes, English learners forget this.
You can ask, "What is the problem?"
Or, is this serious?
Or, "What should I do?"
Simple, clear, polite. And honestly, Jack, I already feel more relaxed talking about this topic.
Me too. You know what's interesting? Talking about health actually makes people feel closer.
That's true. When someone talks about their health, it's very personal.
And that's why learning how to talk about the doctor in English is so important. It's not just English, it's real life.
All right, let's imagine something.
Okay, I'm ready.
You're sitting in the doctor's office. The doctor looks at you and says,
Jack, doctor voice. So, what seems to be the problem?
and suddenly your mind goes blank.
Yes, you know the pain, but the words disappear.
So let's fix that. Friends, remember this simple pattern. I have plus problem plus for time.
Let's give examples.
I have a headache for 2 days.
I have a sore throat for 1 week.
I have back pain for a long time.
It doesn't have to be perfect grammar. Doctors understand.
Let's talk about common symptoms you can say easily.
Repeat with us at home.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
I feel tired all the time.
I feel tired all the time.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I have a cough.
I have a cough.
I feel weak.
I feel weak. These are very natural sentences.
Jack, sometimes symptoms are scary.
Yes, and it's okay to say that.
You can say, I'm a little worried.
Or, this pain scares me.
That's real English. That's human English. Okay, friends, let's do a real role play now.
I'll be the doctor.
And I'll be the patient.
Jack, doctor voice. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning, doctor.
How can I help you today?
I don't feel very well.
Can you tell me what's wrong?
I have a headache and I feel very tired.
How long have you felt like this?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay. Are you sleeping well?
Not really. I wake up at night.
Do you feel stressed?
Yes, very stressed.
Did you hear that?
Short sentences, simple words, very clear.
You don't need long English at the doctor.
Now let's talk about medicine.
Another scary topic for learners.
But we'll make it easy.
The doctor might say, I will give you some medicine.
Or, take this medicine twice a day.
You can ask, should I take this before food or after food?
That sentence is gold.
Friends, never be afraid to ask questions.
Yes, your health is important.
You can ask, are there any side effects?
Or, how long will it take to feel better?
Or, can I work during this time?
Doctors like patients who ask questions.
Emma, be honest. Do you read medicine instructions carefully?
I try, but sometimes it looks like science homework.
Same. Small letters, big words.
That's when you say, can you explain this simply, please?
Perfect, polite English.
Doctors often talk about rest.
Yes, they love that word.
You might hear, you need more rest.
Or, try to sleep well.
You can respond, okay, I'll try.
Simple and respectful.
Jack, let's talk about something important.
Mental health.
Yes, sometimes people go to the doctor not for pain, but for feelings.
And that's okay.
You can say, I feel anxious.
Or, I feel sad all the time.
Or, I feel very stressed.
These sentences are powerful.
The doctor might say, try to relax.
Or, exercise a little every day.
Or, drink more water.
Very common advice.
Friends, remember one thing.
You don't need perfect English at the doctor.
You need clear English.
Doctors want to help you.
And you're already doing amazing by learning this.
You know, Emma, I feel proud of our listeners.
Me too. Learning English for real life takes courage.
Especially topics like health.
Friends, if you're listening right now, you are brave.
And you're improving every day.
Jack, before we start, can I say something?
Of course.
This topic feels serious, but also very comforting.
I feel the same, because when you know what to say, fear becomes smaller.
Exactly. Language gives you control.
Okay, friends, now let's talk about emergencies.
This part is very important.
Imagine something sudden happens,
You don't have time to think about grammar.
so you need short, strong sentences.
You can say, I need help,
Or, please call a doctor.
or it's an emergency.
These sentences are powerful and clear.
Now, imagine you're at the hospital.
Hospitals can feel scary, especially in another language.
Yes, new place, new people, new words.
But let's make it simple.
The nurse might say, What happened?
You can answer, I feel very sick.
Or, I fell and hurt my leg.
Or, I have strong pain here.
And you can point. Pointing is okay.
Doctors often ask about time.
Yes, like, when did it start?
You can say, this morning.
Or, last night.
Or, 2 hours ago.
Sometimes doctors ask, how bad is the pain, from 1 to 10?
You can answer simply, it's about 7.
Or, it's very strong.
Or, it's not too bad.
Jack, many people feel afraid at the doctor.
That's normal.
And you can say it.
You can say, I'm scared.
Or, I feel nervous.
Or, this is my first time here.
Doctors and nurses understand.
Jack, do you remember your first hospital visit in English?
Yes, and I nodded to everything.
Even when you didn't understand?
Yes, big mistake.
Friends, don't do that.
Please remember this. Sorry, I don't understand.
Or, can you say that again slowly?
This sentence can save you.
Doctors may talk about tests.
Like, we need to do a blood test.
Or, you need an X-ray.
You can ask, is it painful?
Or, how long will it take?
Doctors often say, you can go home now.
That's the best sentence.
Yes, and then they give instructions.
They may say, take rest.
Drink a lot of water.
Come back after 1 week.
You can reply, okay, thank you.
Simple and polite.
Sometimes doctors say, we need to see you again.
You can ask, when should I come back?
Or, do I need another appointment?
Very useful sentences.
Friends, let's pause for a moment.
Take a breath.
If you can say even 5 sentences at the doctor,
That is success.
not perfection, progress.
Jack, I want to say something to our listeners.
Go ahead.
If you're learning English for situations like this, you care about yourself.
And that matters.
You're not bad at English.
You're brave.
Next time you go to a doctor,
Don't be silent.
use simple English.
Use your voice.
And remember,
Doctors care more about your health than your grammar.
I feel calm now.
Me too. Talking helps.
Learning helps.
And you're doing both.
Take care of yourself, friends.
And keep learning real English.
We'll be right here with you.